Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today, yes, it's Wednesday, December the 23rd, 2020, 8 days to go, 8 days left for 2020. We have here 3 regular Sudokus, binary one, medium one, and a killer one. Yes, and the binary one we will start first, and this will be a number 2051. And what kind of binary is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, there no. Double one, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones in this column. So the rest are O's. Yes. Double one, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Between, no. A double one, here no, there no. Do we have more doubles? Yeah, double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Alright, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes there's always an O and a 1. I do not know in which order, but we have 1, 2, 3 ones, 4 ones, and this is the number 5. So this box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Alright, between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. And then between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Yeah. Am I stuck? I do not know. But I cannot fill this further, so I need to double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes there's an O and a 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. So this one is an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes there's always an O and a 1. So this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those two are ones. Alright. Double one, here and O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. We have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, then O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. 1, 1, 1 O, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1. So this should be in 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. Between two ones comes an O. And we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Alright. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Then double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. A double O, here 1, then 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright. Great binary without any comparing of rows or columns. I like this one, binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku, and it will be a Sudoku Medium. Yes, see you later. We will meet again. Bye bye for now.